Question 8. If 200 dm cubed of oxygen diffuses through a porous pot in 50 seconds, how long will it take 80 dm cubed of methane to diffuse through the same porous pot under the same conditions? Take molecular weight of oxygen to be 32 and molecular weight of methane to be 16. A. 40 seconds. B. 20 seconds. C. 7 seconds. D. 14 seconds. The correct answer is D. 14 seconds. Explanation. The core idea is that lighter gas diffuse faster than heavier gases. Think of it like a lightweight runner versus someone who is a heavyweight runner. The lightweight runner can cover the ground faster, right? So if you look at methane and oxygen, methane is lighter than oxygen. So the common sense here is that methane diffuses faster. Let's look at some small calculation right here. So we know that rate is proportional to 1 over the square root of molar mass, and we also know that rate can also be proportional to volume over time. So we can set up a ratio like this: rate of methane gas over the rate of oxygen would be the volume of methane over the time of methane, all divided by the volume of oxygen divided by the time of oxygen. So we can set up the equation as the rate of methane divided by rate of oxygen will be volume of methane gas over the time of methane gas divided by the volume of oxygen, also divided by the time of oxygen, all equal to the square root of the molar mass of oxygen divided by the molar mass of methane gas. So if you do change the subject and then you plug in the data from the question, you find that time will be equal to 50 times 80 dm cubed divided by 200 dm cubed times the square root of 32 divided by 16. And if you do the computation, you get 14 seconds.